Let's select both, go to Object, and all the way down to Mockup, and select Make. And once you've clicked through any pop-ups, Illustrator will generate a mesh. Now you do have a drop down here that shows a few different categories. Now it only shows a few images per category, and you will need to license these from Adobe Stock. And you've also got a mock-up button here for your convenience. But anyway, let's close this down and try this out. So we can click and drag this graphic around, and you can see that it maps to the subject's body. And this is that invisible mesh that was generated. And we can of course skew this, or we can scale this up and down holding Shift. We could move this around onto her sleeve or on the other side, or just pop it in the center. We can rotate the graphic, scale it up, scale it down, and this works very similar to how you map graphics to 3D objects in Illustrator. Now it isn't pulling the shadows through from the clothing, so what we can do is change the blending mode to multiply, and the blending mode you choose will depend on the colors in your image, and whilst this isn't perfect, it does help to sell that realism a little bit more. Now this is all a mock-up group, so it can be moved around, or you can double click to go inside, and then you can make any changes. And once you're happy